Okay, so a great challenge today, 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 2. And a lot of students might be saying, okay, we have subtraction, we have division, so I learned this stuff in the third grade, so that's fantastic. But this is a very tricky challenge, a lot of students make this common mistake, so right now I suggest you to pause the video, try to solve it by yourself. We have three options, A, B, and C, so choose one option, what do you think is a correct answer to this challenge, and write your option down into the comment section. We will check our answers here in just 1 minute, so it will be really interesting. First of all, I want to start with this first interpretation. So a lot of students solve this question like that. So we have 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 2. They say, okay, we have 5 minus 2 on the left hand side, we have 5 minus 2 on the right hand side. So right here we have 3, 5 minus 2 equal to 3 as well. Yeah, with this division in the middle, we have 3 divided by 3. Which is equal to 1, and we have this option. This is option A. So a lot of students say the correct answer to this challenge. This is option A. But in math, we can't solve our challenges randomly. We should know what is the correct order to do this problem, because it's not work only in math. You should know what is the correct order, correct property, correct rule, because in science you can't do whatever you want. You should know what is the correct property, correct rule, correct order of operation. So in this case, we should know what is the correct order of operation. And for example, let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to PEMDAS order of operation, okay? So in this moment, PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So the higher priority has parentheses, the lowest priority addition and subtraction. So parentheses, then we should evaluate exponent, next we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step addition and subtraction group. So let's rewrite our challenge and let's solve this question according to PEMDAS order of operation. So divided by 2, divided by 5 minus 2. Okay, so how can we solve challenges according to PEMDAS order of operation? We should scan what is the first step from left to right, okay? But in this case, we have a lot of math operations. So right now we should write this math operation right here. So we have subtraction, division. Where do we have this subtraction, division? We have subtraction right here. We have division right here. We don't have addition. We don't have multiplication. We don't have exponent. We don't have parentheses. So we have only division and subtraction part. And right now here is the main thing. What we should do at first, because as I told before, higher position, higher priority. And in this case we have division has the higher position than subtraction. So division is a first step. Let's divide. What do we have right here? We have 2 divided by 5. This is our first step. So we have 5 minus 2 divided by 5 equal to, let's write it as 2 over 5, something like that. But we haven't completed this step yet. We should divide 2 divided by 5, which is equal to 0.4. Okay, so minus 0.4 and minus 2. And basic subtraction. Okay, we complete the division part, and right here we have a basic subtraction, and in almost cases you don't need this order of operation when you have addition or subtraction, because this is very basic subtraction. 5 minus 4, 0.4 minus 2, which is equal to 2.6. So we have this option. This is option C. And right here maybe the main thing, what we should do at first, what we should do, what is the correct answer, A or C? And a lot of students confused, a lot of students arguing with each other. They say correct answer is A, another part of student tell correct answer is C. And I want to say, okay, let's look at this option A. Right here, you subtracted at first, then you divided. And this is a very bad mistake in terms of math, because subtraction is after division. So saying in other words, you should do all the things with multiplication and division group, and then in the end you should add or subtract. Okay, so subtraction is after division. But if you want to solve this question like that, your question should look like that, with parentheses. Okay, so then parentheses right here at first, because parentheses has the highest priority, so then you should subtract at first equal to 3, subtract right here which is equal to 3, and the last step division. So then a subtraction will have the higher priority than division because of this parenthesis which has the highest priority. So in our case we don't have parentheses, forget about this option A. In our case we have a regular expression without any parentheses, so the correct order is the next one, division then subtraction in a strict order from left to right. You can easily check this answer in your scientific or graphing calculator. Yeah, you can easily check it, yeah, but don't use a regular calculator, because sometimes happen that you type the problem as the calculator solve your problem as you type it in. For example, you type 5 minus 2 and your calculators give you 3, because calculator don't know what you have further, because further further you have division, so try to type the whole entire problem, and then you can easily, your calculator is smart enough to know word of operation, so a 100% correct answer will be option C. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. And also, if this video is helpful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that definitely help me out now for this particular video. So thank you for your time, have a great day, and see you in the next videos.